Tamario drop the meat?
Why would you try to catch him with your shorts?
It's a natural reflex.
I gotta get this on camera. Tamario is over here making some hot hamburgers.
You didn't say nothing.
Amina. Oh, she turned around real quick. This is liable to go on Facebook, you know.
Okay.
I gotta watch
Put this on Facebook.
She's over here making French fries. And Grandma's in here teaching them how to cook.
These are Mina mini French fries.
Oh, they're Mina mini French fries. I gave you that name, but now you want to use it?
Yep.
Don't make it too hot tomorrow, because everybody can't eat hot.
Where's the salt and pepper?
Great
You don't need
training.
to put no salt on it. You can put pepper. Put some garlic seasoning in there.
Should I change these? Into
No, it's too late.
You
You cooking. All right? You spill something on you, you're supposed to have an apron on. Okay, you have an apron on. But since you didn't have one, I got it off. You can change it when
Okay, this is the finished product of Amina and Tamario's cooking. Tamario.
The first meal. The first meal they ever made together.
Oh, right.
Hopefully it won't be our last supper.
No. The fries look great. The hamburger looks delicious.
Turn the fire off, Amina. Okay, turn it off now. There. And move it.
Ow.
Okay, here.
The grease.
Look.
That's what happens when you
Off the-
cook with grease.
Okay.
I think I have a
This is
drink.
everybody feasting. Tamario won't even sit down. He's so hungry.
Keep asking the recipe.
Did we say grace, y'all? Did y'all?
I did.
Actually,
Said it in my head, Mama.
Don't be getting no ugly pictures of me. When I cook, I get ugly.
Oh, Lord.
Look at this burger.